Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying 3 essentials. iOS is current, you are signed into your Apple ID, and network plus date and time are correct. Go to Settings, then General Software Update to install any pending updates. This prevents activation errors. Next, open Settings and confirm your Apple ID at the top. If not signed in, sign in now. Finally, connect to Wi-Fi or cellular and check Settings General Date and Time. Make sure Set Automatically is on. Once prerequisites are set, open Settings and tap Messages, toggle iMessage on. You'll often see waiting for activation briefly. Give it up to a minute. Then tap Send and Receive and confirm your phone number plus Apple ID email are checked. This defines where you can start or receive conversations. If your phone number is missing, go to Settings Phone My Number to add it, then return and recheck Send and Receive. Restart the phone if activation stalls. To finish, send a test message to another iMessage user. A blue bubble confirms success. If you see green bubbles, review Send and Receive and ensure the recipient also uses iMessage. Should activation fail, sign out of your Apple ID in Settings Messages Send and Receive, then sign back in. This forces reactivation. If problems persist, contact your carrier to confirm SMS activation for your number. Because iMessage activation uses SMS in the background, make sure SMS can be sent.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.